Hi guys, Kerpeesh here. Tonight I'm going to try and do a quick pick. It was a challenge lock sent to me by Tensile Spider. So here is the key. It's the now TS10, still mummified key. It's on a Caesar lock. It's a €0. So can't see how many pins it is. Lovely lock. Look at the device here. Try and focus on this bit. Right. Only pick I am going to use tonight is a Kerpeesh pick. It's one of these. I'll try and focus in on it so you can see it. The glare might be too much for people. Sunglasses only. There we go. Beautiful little sort of S-rake, worm rake. Anyway, I'm going to show you it. Well, I'll show you it locked up, but I'll do it the old-fashioned way. So there we go. Light tension. Going to start this way up with the rake and actually rake it. Hopefully we're going to get some movement on the cord, get it into a full set. So nice and gently. This actually is a very good lock, and no matter what this wonderful Kerpeesh pick does to it, I would suggest people try out Tensile Spider Ben's locks, because they are really good. Oops, managed to actually pick it in one go. Let's have another go. And try and show you, because I was too gentle, but some people aren't that gentle, so let's go with it again. So some people try and give a good old break or mess around with just to get it into a full set. There's one drop on it, I don't know if anyone saw that. And a bit more. Nice full set on that now. So I'm going to switch over, go the other side. Try and find, now here I'll find, I think it's pin 3, quite a high pin. Normally I push down on that, but what I found is if I go the other side of it, I get a nice counter rotation of a spool. It might show me up to be a bit of a liar on this one, but let's do a little bit more of a rake. So I'm good. There you go. See? More of a false on that. And hopefully I can get a nice counter rotation. I was quite lucky the first time round, I think. There we go. See the counter on that one? And it's popped up. Now what I'd normally do is go, still going to go this way up the rake, go to the back, pull forward, and I literally just tapped on the pin behind and opened again. So I was very, very, very lucky on the first shot. must have been exceedingly light on the tension, exceedingly light on the rake, but this is number one. Wonderful Kerpeesh rake. Beautiful, beautiful. Just the camera does not do it justice whatsoever. And number two, a beautiful, beautiful challenge lock by Tensile Spider. He has only been doing this for a few months. Definitely less than half a year. So well done, Ben. Well done, TS. Great work. Keep it up. You'll catch your cough up soon, I'm sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Big Bird out.